Hello MJ Squad, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If in case you're new here, kindly consider subscribing to my YouTube channel by hitting that subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload any of my future video. So anyway guys, and also don't forget to hit that like button. So today I'm going to do like a braid hairstyle look. Yeah, this is actually my first time. 3-strand braid, yeah, matuta in short, that's the name we call here in my country. So if you are in Kenya, you know we call them matuta. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to apply on this section, and this is actually my first time. I don't know how they will turn out. I know I have done the 2-strand the twist out, and I know how my hair actually reacts to it. So today I'm just going to take you through what I'm going to be doing today on my hair. So you can see my hair is already like pre-stretched. My hair is just already pre-stretched, and I have just unraveled the hairstyle that I did on my channel. So now what I'm doing is trying to section this hair out so that I can start. So I'm going to list all the products that I'm going to use on today's tutorial down in the description box, so go and check it out. And I'm thinking of using this leave-in treatment, leave-in conditioner, and also this curly definition cream. I'm going to use these two products, and also this one. I may use their gel, but we'll see how it goes. So let me just spray. I'm just spraying this section. I'm going to divide this section into two, obviously, so that it can be a little bit easier. So I'm going to take my leave-in treatment, and this is how it looks. It's really running. This is how it looks. I'm going to just take a little amount, apply it on my hair. Now that this section is detangled, I'm going to take this curling definition cream from Vertica, and it's really thick. I'm just going to take a little amount. If you are low porosity, just work the product onto your hair properly, because like people who have low porosity hair type, products tend to lay on their strand but not penetrate inside the strand. But if you're high porosity like me, product tend to absorb so quickly on your hair. Now before I start braiding, let me confirm if it's detangled, and then I'm going to use my oil, just a little amount, and apply it. So now let's start braiding. So I'm just going to divide this section into 3 equal parts. I'm going to try as much as possible to divide this part into 3, and then this is my first, second, and third. And then now I'm going to start braiding. I'm not a fan of braiding, so basically I'm just taking the one which is at the end, bringing it into the middle, and then this one middle, just putting like so. You can slow down the video so that you understand what I'm doing if you don't know how to do braids. So I hope this hairstyle turned out proper, because this is actually my first time. And then let me just move away the tangle here. So I don't know if you can see, but I'm remaining with like 2 strands. I didn't like equalize them. Okay, so now I'm just going to twist the ends. I'm just going to do like a simple twist. Like so. And this is my first strand. Let me go to the second one. I don't know if this is big enough or small, but let me just move to the next one and then we see. So now this is the second section. I don't know if it's too big, but anywho, let's start. So I'm taking my leave-in, and then let me just spray it so that it can be easy to detangle. So I'm taking my leave-in and working it through my hair. Now I'm taking my cream
the next day.